Wouldn't it be great if tracking actually worked the same way that field teams work? Imagine if tracking hours didn't feel like a waste of time. What if you could see exactly where your hours were going and not just hope that they were accurate and good to go? In field services, time is always money. But more importantly, it's focused on movement and mileage. Time is job to job, and that's why Buddy Punch was built with this in mind. Just for you. It provides teams with one platform to track time accurately, from anywhere, without needing to step foot into the office to clock in or clock out for the day. So let's get started on what Buddy Punch has to offer. There are countless features, so I'm going to be breaking down the most relevant ones for field services. First up, we have mobile time tracking. Your crew members can clock in right from their phones as soon as their workday starts. They can switch job codes when they move on to the next task too. They can clock out once they're done dropping vehicles and moving equipment for the day. This feature is so helpful and it's a massive time saver. It prevents detours so that there's no double trips or wasted fuel. What a win! It's basically a clock in, do your job, and a simple, easy clock out. Simple and efficient, just the way we like it. Next up is job costing. This is huge. Buddy Punch lets you see labor hours accurately per job or service call. This eliminates any guessing at all as it's 100% accurate. It's clear and legitimate so that you know exactly how much time each project costs your business. And you get to avoid guessing yet again, which we all know needs to be avoided as much as possible. Next up is GPS location tracking. This comes in handy when you want to know if your crew was actually on site when they hit the clock in button. No problem, as you can log it automatically. You can track movement during the day too. This means there is no micromanagement needed, only accountability locked right in. Moving on to multi-language support. Do you have Spanish-speaking team members? I've got the good news. They can switch the entire app to Spanish with just one click, and there's a translated experience. This really matters for adoption and clean data in the real world. Up next, we have overtime tracking and prevention. Buddy Punch automatically calculates overtime, which are based on the rules that you set and implement on your profile. And it avoids using general defaults. You can set alerts before any overtime happens so that you're always kept in the loop. And this protects margins before things get expensive. Next up, payroll gets faster. This feature is the hero. I say this because once all the punches are captured, Buddy Punch creates the timesheets for you. You can then export all the information needed for payroll, or you can sync it into systems like QuickBooks, Gusto, Paychex, JustWorks, or iSolved. But don't worry, because you have the choice of many more options that suit your business. And yes, there is a bonus here. You can also run payroll inside of the Buddy Punch system. Something like this normally takes hours to complete correctly. But with this feature on offer for you to make use of, it becomes a 30-minute admin task. Yes, please, and thank you. Okay, enough said. We'll take it. Last on the list for today is scheduling simplified. There are only 3 main steps to this, and those are: number 1, drag shifts; number 2, drop shifts; and finally, step 3, publish the completed schedule and let Buddy Punch do what it does best. Take the stress out of scheduling altogether every time. There's so much that you can make use of, such as assigning specific roles to employees, choosing various locations, clicking repeating shifts, choosing trades or covers, and your team gets notified instantly when the schedule changes or gets updated. This takes any and all panic texts out of the equation. So, after hearing about all these features that Buddy Punch offers, I'm sure you're ready to track time the smarter way. And by that, I mean the way that actually works for field teams that move around all day. We're confident that Buddy Punch has everything that you need to keep a close eye on your operations, to reduce labor costs, and protect your time. So why not try Buddy Punch today with their 14-day free trial on offer? In doing so, you could be stepping into a better, cleaner, and faster time tracking environment. Thanks for watching and sticking around. Buddy Punch understands that time is your business, and we are here to help you take every minute back and make the time count each and every day.